nag-i-emote, yung nag-i-emote, tapos iniwan, luhaan. Yun na yun. So, sa mga taong nasa relationship ngayon, be strong. Sabi nga nila, wag natin tatawagin na mahal, baby, baby ko. Sabi nila wala daw forever yung mga ganun tawagan. So, para sa akin, hindi naman lahat ganun. It depends pa rin sa tao kung gaano mo kung gaano mo siya kamahal, kung paano mo pinapakita yung love. Kung paano mo pinapakita yung ng taong mahal mo. Yung para sa akin na. Kasi ako bilang Lahat ng pinagdadaanan natin may solusyon, may problemang may solusyon. So para sa akin, lahat ng nasaktan, lahat ng nagmahal, lahat ng iniwanan, lahat 'yon may taong darating sa atin na talagang para sa atin. May taong nakalaan sa atin. Yun. Parang ako, single. So, parang ako, single na ako kasi, actually, matagal na akong single. Diba, binroadcast. So, hindi, yun lang yun. So, binobroadcast ko, hindi ko naman kailangan i-broadcast na single ako, pero hindi naman sa ganun. Hindi naman po totaling single. I'm a single mother. Sa mga nagbabash para sa mga single mother, hindi po lahat ng single mother na hindi porket iniwanan ng asawa nila dati ay may problema. May something kung bakit sila So, kantahin naman natin ngayon ay The Power of Love. Actually, hindi ko siya kabisado, so bala na si Batman. Titingnan ko lang kung gaano ka powerful ang love. Charot! The whisper in the morning of love is sleeping time, are rolling by tender now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Wherever you reach for me, all the world that I can. This is how I'm feeling, lying in your eyes. When the world outside took too much toll take, better when I'm with you. Aminin ko, nagkamali ako doon. Even though there may be times it seems I'm far away, never wonder where I am, 'cause I'm always by your side. 'Cause I'm your lady, guys, mapaus-paus na ako sa The Power of Love ko. So wait guys. So thank you for listening to my song. So ayun na guys, so magsisimula na ulit tayo. Actually kanina pa ako nagsisimula. Puro lang tayo simula ng simula. Ay,
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Hindi pa pala ayun na. You don't have to be afraid of what you want. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the soul that you will know will lead away. Yeah. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fear inside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that I hear lies in you. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaching out a hand for you to hold. You can find love. I can find love if you search within yourself, and this emptiness you feel will disappear. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fear inside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that I hear lies in you. Oh, Lord knows dreams are hard to follow. Not only anyone, turn them away. Yeah. Hold on, there will be tomorrow. Turn them away. Yeah. Hold on, there will be tomorrow. In time, you'll find a way. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fear inside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in you. So, dyan na guys, nagtatapos ang aking videoke. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Lady Hazel. Please like. So, bye! I told you bye. Still I didn't edit. Okay. Take to. So,